Stop scrolling. Want your website to impress visitors instantly? In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how to make a stunning hero section using just HTML and CSS. Hi, my name is Adam. Welcome to the part 2 to build your personal website. Today we will build a clean hero section, the first thing people see on your website. Let's make it simple and professional. First, let's build the HTML structure. A hero section usually has a heading, a subheading, and a button. Here's a simple structure. We use the section and div to keep everything organized. Now let's style it. Make the hero full screen, center content, and add a background. Flexbox centers everything and the button stands out with a color. You can add more styles, animations, or transitions, but keep it simple. And this is the result. Professional hero section. In the next video, we will complete our website, so follow me to complete it.